let us change here consent to this here for the worksheet practice whatever we are doing it for the 2000 March 2021 exam. So because this was taken last year also, the same thing I am changing here 2021 examination point of view. Part D, in particularly that 5 marks question, usually 40-second question, this is going to appear in a part D. So usually it is on problems that is on second order derivatives, that is going to appear on a second order derivative. So let us have the first and very most important problem here. First one, if y is equals to sine inverse x, show that 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx, which is equals to 0. This was already appeared 2 times, March 2019, March 2016. Okay, we shall proceed the solution for this problem here. Let us have that. First of all, what is the function he has given? Let us consider that one here. Y is equals to, he has given, that is sine inverse x. You differentiate this y with respect to x, differentiate y with respect to x. If you differentiate this y with respect to x, then you are going to write it as a d by dx of y, which is equals to d by dx of sine inverse x. What is the sine inverse x differentiation, please? On this side you are going to write it as dy by dx, of course. What is the sine inverse x?
Equal to 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square.
1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. That is the differentiation of what is sine inverse x. 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. From this step onwards, somebody they are going to make use quotient rule formula. Somebody they are going to do this just a cross multiplication of this on this side. Very easiest is you take this term on this side, then it is going to come out, it as implies what it is, root of 1 minus x square, just I am multiplying this term on this side, into dy by dx, which is equals to 1. Again you differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x. Yes, you are observing this in the form of u into b. This is first function, this is second function. It is similar to the product of two functions, that is u into v form. Let us differentiate this one here. That is d by dx of root 1 minus x square into dy by dx. On this side what it is, d by dx of that it is 1. What is the differentiation of 1 with respect to x? Yes, anybody? What is the differentiation of this 1 with respect to x?
0.
0 it is.
0.
Okay, let us first you tell me the differentiation of this here. You leave this space.
D by dx of root of 1 minus x square.
Root of 1 minus x square. It means first function plus again
Plus
space. D by dx of
dy by dx.
D by dx of dy by dx, which is equals to, first of all I am going to write a differentiation of this 1 with respect to x as what it is, 0. Okay, whatever the space you left here, what you are going to write here first, please? You taken first function here, remaining function, that is dy by dx, that is second function, dy by dx. Yes, what about here? You have
under root of 1 minus x.
under root of 1 minus x square. Under root of 1 minus x square. Yes, differentiate this and tell me what it is going to come out. This
dy by dx into
dy by dx into what about
1 by 2 root of
root of
1
anything
by
is
2
1 by 2 root
2
of,
root of 1 minus x square
that is 1 minus x square. Okay,
into minus 2x
into this 1 minus x square differentiation, that I am going
0 minus 2.
0 minus 2x. Clear to everybody about this? Because just I differentiated this term root that is 1 by 2 root of this whatever it is 1 minus x square. Thereafter 1 minus x square differentiation, 1 differentiation is 0, x square differentiation is 2x. That is fine. What about this here? Plus root of 1 minus x square, as it is I am going to write this term, and differentiation of this dy by dx with respect to x,
d2y by dx square
d square y by dx square, which is equals to 0. Yes, you simplify this one, what it is going to come out, you just
dy
so that
dy by dx
this I am going to write in this way. See here everyone, minus 2x, okay, into dy by dx whole divided by, of course, what it is there, 2
2
times
root of
root of 1 minus x
1
square. This 2
square.
this
root 2
is going to get cancel each other. Okay,
plus
next
root of 1
root of
square
1 minus x square d square
d2y
y by
by
dx square, which is equals to 0. Now what I am going to tell to you people, just take the LCM. What is the LCM, please? Who would like to tell? Root of 1
1 minus
x square, okay, which is equals to 0 on this as it is. If you take this one here, LCM, if you take that whatever it is there, you write that is minus x dy by dx. Then Sanket, what is going to happen here? Yes, plus this has to be multiplied now, that is root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus x square, that I am going to write here
Whole square.
as a square, okay, into d square y by, as it is, of course, this d square y by dx square. Then just whatever the denominator term is there, that you have to do the multiplication on this side. 0 into anything is what? Yes, Joshi, 0 into anything,
0
it's 0 only. Okay, just see here, this I am going to multiply on this side, automatically it is going to happen as a 0. Then what is going to remain?
under root of 1 minus x square
First here minus x dy by dx,
dx
okay,
plus minus
here
x
is
square
the root and square. What is going to happen? Root and square, they are going to get
get
cancelled.
cancels
Okay, 1 minus x square, as it is d square y by dx square,
dx square
that already I written equals to 0. But he has asked to show that this as what it is, 1 minus x square. First I have to write and thereafter this. Okay, see here accordingly that whatever he has asked, that I am going to write. Therefore that it is first is 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square. Patel, what is the next? Minus x into what it is, dy by
dx.
okay, equals to 0. Okay, this has shown whatever he has asked. Clear to everybody, or anybody have any doubt about this problem? Because it is the most important for the point of examination. Yes, Prashant Ganachari, any doubt? Another doubt idena? ಪರಮಾನಂದ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್? ಎಸ್ ಪರಮಾನಂದ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ?
No doubt, sir.
ನೋ ಡೌಟ್, ಫೈನ್. ಸಂಕೇತ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಐತ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ?
Clear.
Okay. Shall we go ahead with the next problem? That is second problem. Just before going to the second problem, just I am going to summarize this problem. You can glance once more, no doubt. So see here, please, whatever he has given function y is equals to sine inverse x, that you have to differentiate with respect to x. Then here dy by dx, sine inverse x differentiation is 1 by root of 1 minus x square, of course. Somebody they are going to differentiate this dy by dx again with respect to x. They are going to proceed by making use of quotient rule. Instead of doing that, I considered here just I multiplied this one on this side. Then it is going to convert u into v form. This is now similar to the implicit form of the function. Just once again you differentiate this entire function with respect to x. If you differentiate this here, first function and second function, that here it is there. Next on this side, differentiation of that one with respect to x, constant it is, of course 0 differentiation, that is. Okay. Next you, as per the u into v rule, as we discussed, leave the space and differentiate first function itself, plus again leave the space, differentiate the second function with respect to x. Whatever the space you left here, which function you have taken, leave that function, and remaining function you have to write this, that is dy by dx here. Next you have taken here, that is dy by dx, remaining function is this root of 1 minus x square. Thereafter what you have done, differentiation of this root first, 1 by 2 root of whatever it is, anything, here 1 minus x square. Okay, again you have to differentiate this 1 minus x square with respect to x, 0 minus 2x it is going to come. Okay, this root of 1 minus x square you written as it is, dy by dx with respect to x, if you do again, that is going to come out as a d square y by dx square. Thereafter just you multiplied and simplified, that you got here as minus x dy by dx divided by root of 1 minus x square. That is the remaining term, because this two got cancelled. Next here, root of 1 minus x square d square y by dx square equals to 0. You have taken here LCM. If you take the LCM, this term as it is you are going to write, and this is going to get multiply here, that is root of 1 minus x square bracket square and d square y by dx square. Thereafter just you multiplied this on this side, that is root of 1 minus x square into 0 into anything, of course 0 it is. Just I am going to write first of all this as it is. Thereafter remaining terms whatever they are here, very important is root of 1 minus x square bracket square is there, square and root, so that is going to cancel. It is going to remain with 1 minus x square. So as per the question, whatever he has asked, first he has written this 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square, that I written first, and thereafter next is minus x into dy by dx, which is equals to 0. Clear to everybody? Because once again so that summarized the problem solution, how I have done that. Shall we move on to the next problem, Patel? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us move on to the next. Take the second problem. Note about the second problem. If y is equals to 3 cos log x to the base e has mentioned, plus 4 sin log x to the base e, show that x square y2 plus xy1 plus y is equals to 0. Here y1 means what, y2 means what? Anybody would like to tell about this, please?
Sir, y2 means
That means
d
2 time
d
differentiation.
square by d
y
square y by dx square. Okay, y1 means,
dy by dx.
yes
By
sir.
dx.
This problem was appeared thrice in the year June 2019, June 2017, June 2014 also. Okay, 3 times this was appeared. So again it may appear for your examination also. So be cautious, let us learn it effectively. Yes, let us have, as usual, we shall proceed as conventional. At the end, we shall mention that what is y2, what is that y1. Okay. So let us take this y is equals to whatever he has given. Y equals to that it is given as 3 times cos of log x. By default, by base e is of course plus 4 times of sine log x to the base e. Just you differentiate one time with respect to x. Differentiate y with respect to x. That is going to come out as d by dx of y, which is equals to d by dx of this whatever term it is given. 3 cos log x to the base e plus 4 sine log x to the base e. Yes, who would like to tell the differentiation of this, please? Anybody?
Sir,
dy
dy
by dx is equals to, yes, tell it to me.
3 constant minus sine log e to the base x
Log x to the base e.
to the base e, log x to the base e plus
No, into
into 1 by x.
1 by x. See here, that I am going to clarify. 3 is constant, you have taken outside. Cos differentiation is minus sine of anything, whatever it is, log x to the base e here. Next, log x differentiation, that is 1 by x. This term is clear. Okay, plus.
Plus
Tell the next. Okay,
4 bracket cos log e
cos log x to the base e. You have to read in this way. Okay.
into 1 by x.
Into 1 by x. See here, once again, I am going to demonstrate it. 4 is constant, you have taken outside. Then sine differentiation is cos of whatever it is, log x to the base e is here. Next, log x to the base e differentiation is 1 by x. If you like to simplify this, you can simplify. Of course, what it is going to come out, you see there.
Dy by dx.
Dy by dx minus
1 by x.
minus 3 sine log x to the base e
Base e
plus 4 cos log x to the base e whole divided by, I am going to write, is it okay to everybody? Because here is also be 1 by x, here is also be 1 by x, so total it is denominator term is common as a 1 by x. What you have to do right now, you just do the multiplication on this side, this one. Yes, Sanket, what it is going to happen if you multiply on this side? Implies that is x into
dy by dx
which is equals to
equal to
minus 3
minus 3
sine
sine of
log x to the base e.
base
Okay.
e plus
4 cos log x to the
x to the base e.
Again, you differentiate with respect to x, you are going to get the required answer. Let us do it once more. Again, differentiate with respect to x. Yes, Patel, tell me now what it is going to come out if you differentiate again with respect
Sir, d by dx of
yes, d by dx of that is
x
into
dy by dx.
X into dy by dx, which is equals to
D by dx of
d by dx of
minus 3 sine log x to the base e
log x to the base e
plus 4
plus
cos log x to the base e, sir.
log x to the base e. Yes, now
So,
use that u into v formula.
dy by dx into
That okay. So space you leave d by dx of
x plus space
plus space
d by dx of dy by dx.
d by dx of dy by dx. Okay, whatever the space you left here,
dy
what
by
you
dx, sir.
write? That is dy by dx. You are going to write here
X, sir.
x. Okay, on this side, differentiation on this side. What is going to happen? You tell it to me accordingly that previous step, whatever you have followed. Yes.
Sir, minus 3
Minus 3, that is constant you are going to take.
in the bracket, sin cos
Sign differentiation is cos of log x to
log to
the
the base e
okay
into 1 by x
into 1 by x.
plus
Log
4
differentiation. Okay. Plus 4 of
minus sin
minus sine
into log to the log x to the base e
minus sine log x to the base e
into 1 by x.
into log x differentiation is 1 by x. Okay, you take the that denominator term common here, and thereafter on this side also you differentiate those, write it and tell it to me. Dy by dx, it is going to come out, of course, x with respect to x differentiation is 1. Next is x as it is going to come out as d square y by dx square, which is equals to, first you write it, what it is going to come out, minus 3 cos log x to the base e. Next, minus 4 sine log x to the base e whole divided by what it is, Patel?
X.
X it is.
X sir, x.
X taken that side.
Okay, you take this multiplication of the x on this side completely. You do the
X into dy by dx plus x square into d square y by dx square
implies that x into dy by dx. Just you
dx
multiply this x. Here is one x. X
plus
into
x
what it is? Plus x square d
square
square
into d square y by dx square
which
equal
is,
to
see
minus
that,
y.
just I am doing in this way. I am taking out minus first. Why I am taking, you will get it. So see that
3 cos log x base to e
okay plus
plus 4 sin log x base to e.
4 log x base that is e, 4 log, that is 4 sine log x to the base e. Why I have done this one, you just see the whatever question he has
What?
asked, he has asked to put it as a y. So as if we observe question, that is y is equals to 3 cos log x to the base e plus 4 sine log x to the base e. So here also you got that as a same. I can replace this one by y here, minus as it is, this I am going to replace it completely as a y, because that is the given question itself. If you would like to call this as a equation 1, you can call as equation 1. Thereafter you supposed to mention here by using equation 1. That is not essential. Anyway, we made use, that is from the question. So first
Yes.
higher term, higher order, I am going to write it here, x square d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx.
dx
This minus you have to take on this side. If you take on this side, it is going to become as a plus.
plus y
Therefore, x square d square y by dx
dx square
plus
plus
x into dy by
dy by
x plus
plus y.
equals to 0. But he has not asked in this way. He has asked that as a y2 and y1. Just I am going to write
Sure.
this one here, and what is that y1
Yep.
and what is that y2. That is
X square
x
y2
square y2 I am going to write plus x
plus
y1
x y
plus y
plus
equals
y.
to 0. Compulsory you have to specify that what is that, where y2 is equals to what it is, d square y by dx
Square y by d square y1 equal to dy by dx.
y1 is equals to dy by dx it is. Clear to everybody? In some question paper, he may ask as y double dash and y dash. That also be same. If he has asked to show it as x square y double dash plus x y dash plus y equals to 0, just where you are going to write as y double dash is equals to d square y by dx square in that fashion. Okay, you don't get confusion. All they are the same. Only y2 means second order derivative. Y double dash is also be second order derivative. That is d square y by dx square. If he has given that is y1, that is first order derivative, d square and dy by dx it is. He may give as a y dash, that is dy by dx itself. Clear to everybody? Is it essential to demonstrate about this consent to the summary of the problem? Yes, anybody please? Anybody needs about the summarization of the problem? ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಬೇಕೇನ್ರಿ ಇದು ಸಮರಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು? ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆನಾ? ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳೋಣ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ.
ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬಿಡಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲೇನ್ರಿ?
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೇನ್ ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ವೈ ಡಬಲ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ರೀ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ರಿ.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅದೇನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಟು ಇದನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಗಳು ಬಿಡಿಸಿರ್ತಾನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದೇನ್ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಏನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಡಿವೈ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಬುಕ್ ನ ಹಂಗ್ ಬಿಡಿಸಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಬುಕ್ ನ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಈಜಿ ಅನ್ಸ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ಎರಡು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Okay, shall we move ahead with the next third problem? So let us go ahead towards that third. Yes, note everybody about the third problem. So here, if y is equals to tan inverse x bracket square, show that x square plus 1 bracket square into y2 plus 2x x square plus 1 y1 equals to 2. This was appeared many more times. See here, that is March 2018, March 2017, June 2015. So let us have this solution completely and clearly. Let us have about that. First of all, whatever the function y he has given, write that clearly. Y is equals to, that is what, tan inverse x bracket square. You differentiate this with respect to x, y with respect to x. Differentiate y with respect to x. In some books they may take the log and then thereafter they are going to solve that. That also be okay, no problem. Just I am going to make use the power rule form, then it is need not to worry about that. So differentiate that with respect to x, d by dx of y, which is equals to d by dx of what it is, Josie, tan inverse x bracket square. Okay, which is equals to, if you differentiate that one, here you are going to get as dy by dx. Yes, who would like to tell differentiation of this tan inverse x bracket square? That it is 2 times of tan inverse x into, who would like to tell about this? Tan inverse x differentiation is what? Sanket.
Divided by 1 plus x square.
Yes, 1 divided by 1 plus x square, or else x square plus 1 also they are going to write in some book, no problem. Okay, what we have to do, just this denominator term is there, na? You do the cross multiplication on this side. Implies that what it is going to come out, 1 plus x square into dy by dx, which is equals to 2 times of tan inverse x. Yes, again you differentiate with respect to x. Yes, Sanket, what it is going to come out if you again differentiate with respect to x? Differentiate with respect to x. Yes, tell it to me.
By dx of
d by dx of
1 plus x square into
1 plus
dy by
x
dx.
square, 1 plus x square into dy by
dx.
Okay, which
Equal
is
to
equals to d by dx of
2 tan inverse x.
2 tan inverse x. ಸರಿ, ಇದು u ಇಂಟು v ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ದಾಗ ಐತಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೇಳಿದೇವಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ನಂಗ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು
Space
leave the
d by
space.
dx of
Yes.
1 plus x square
1 plus x square
plus space
plus space
d by dx of dy by dx.
that is dy by dx. Okay, whatever the space you left here, that you are going to write
dy by dx.
dy by dx here.
1 plus x square
1 plus x square. E side re
equal to
2 is constant, you
2
are going to take out. Next,
1
differentiation
plus
of
1
tan
divided
inverse
1
x.
plus
1
1
divided
divided
by
by 1 plus
1
x
plus
square.
x square. ಮತ್ತೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ dy by dx as it is. Differentiation ಹೇಳ್ರಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು.
0 plus 2x.
Yes, absolutely right. Next
1 plus x square d
hmm
square y by dx square
hmm which is
equal to
equals to
2 divided by 1 plus x square.
yes, ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡೋಣಲ್ಲ, very easy. Okay, you do the cross multiplication on this side. What it is going to come out if you multiply on this side? ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ that it is 2x ಅಂತ ಐತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. 2x into 1 plus x square into ಏನಾಯ್ತದ dy by dx plus ಮುಂದ್ರೆ 1 plus
1 plus
x square bracket
whole
square.
square
Okay, d
d
square
square y by dx square is equal
d
to 2.
square y by dx square, which is equals to 2. What he has asked, you just see here. He has asked to write in this way, x square plus 1. ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನ, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಇದನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ದು ಬರೀರಿ. ದಟ್ whatever that 1 plus x square bracket square into d square y by dx square plus 2x 1 plus x square into dy by dx which is equals to 2. ಇದನ್ನೇನು ಅವನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಬರದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬೋದ್ರಿ, x square plus 1 bracket square d square y by dx square plus 2x x square plus 1 into dy by dx which is equals to 2. ಇನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ y2 ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾನಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನಾಕೈತಿದು x square plus 1 bracket square into that is y2 plus 2x x square plus 1 into y1 which is equals to 2. ಸಂಕೇತ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅದು, y1 y2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ where y2 is equals to what it is, that is d square y
y by dx square.
d square y by dx square. And Patel y1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ
y1 is equal to dy by dx.
Because dy by dx sir.
okay, dy by dx. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ y ಡಬಲ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಮತ್ತ y ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಸೊ 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಥವಾ 2 ನಿಮಿಷನಾಗ ಸಮರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿದ್ರು ಏನ್ ತಪ್ಪೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ tan inverse the differentiation 1 plus x square or x square plus 1 both are same, no problem. I hope everybody noted clearly about this solution. Let us go to the summarization of this problem. Just whatever he has given, y is equals to tan inverse x bracket square. If you would like to take the log and simplify, then also you will get the same answer. There is no any doubt. Or else just differentiate with respect to x, that y with respect to x, and that is dy by dx. You are going to get it as a 2 times of tan inverse x into that power x raised to n is equals to n x raised to n minus 1 hang use ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಆ ತರ differentiate ಮಾಡಿರಿ. Next tan inverse that is 1 plus x square. Tan inverse x differentiation is either x square plus 1 you write, or else 1 plus x square, no problem. Then you just cross multiply this one on this side, you are going to get this equation. You again differentiate this with respect to x. This is there in a u into v form, that is product form. On this side 2 tan inverse x, you differentiate that by using product rule. On this side 2 is constant, you are going to take out. Then tan inverse x differentiation is 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, go on simplify. This differentiation of 1 plus x square is 0 plus 2x Thereafter just you multiplied on this side this 1 plus x square, then you are going to get it as 2x. Here is next 1 plus x square divided by dx. Here this is 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square, that is bracket square. I am going to write here d square y by dx square, which is equals to 2. Just higher order, first I am going to write here 1 plus x square bracket square d square y by dx square plus 2x 1 plus x square into dy by dx, which is equals to 2. Just I am going to rearrange this. 1 plus x square can be written as x square plus 1 bracket square x square, that is d square y by dx square plus 2x x square plus 1 dy by dx, which is equals to 2. Next I am going to replace this d square y by dx square by the y2 term and dy by dx by y1, where y2 is equals to d square y by dx square and y1 is equals to dy by dx. Let us note fourth problem. If y is equals to a e raised to mx plus b e raised to nx, show that d square y by dx square minus m plus n into dy by dx plus mny is equals to 0. This was appeared in the year June 2018, March 2015 also. Okay, let us go ahead the solution of this. As usual, whatever he has given y value, you write that first y is equals to a e raised to mx plus b e raised to nx. Okay, if you would like to call this as equation 1, you can call it, no problem. Differentiate that y with respect to x. Differentiate y with respect to x. What you are going to get? D by dx of
y,
which is equals to d by dx
dx of a into e raised to mx plus b into e raised to nx.
b into e raised to nx. Okay, you just
dy by dx
that you are going to get it as dy by dx
equal to a constant
okay, a is constant.
m into e raised to mx.
Okay, if you are so perfect, you can write it directly, no problem. Just for simplicity, I am going to demonstrate it here. See, a is constant. You are going to take it as a constant outside. E raised to anything is e raised to anything, that is e raised to mx as it is, and mx differentiation is m into 1. Okay, it is not mandatory you to write in this way. You can write am e raised to mx directly also, no problem. Okay, plus yes, just tell it b e raised to nx
e raised to nx into n.
n into 1, and that is differentiation of x it is. If you like to write directly, just n, no problem at all. Okay, once you written this here, I am going to simplify this dy by dx
dx
is equals to
equal
a
am
e raised to
e
mx
mx
plus
plus b
e
raised
raised to nx. Clear to everybody about this? What is that dy by dx I written here? You differentiate this dy by dx once again to get a d square y by dx square. Okay, again
differentiate with respect to x.
okay, again differentiate, of course that is dy by dx here. Differentiate dy by dx with respect to x. Okay, write that d by dx of what it is, dy by dx,
dx
which is equals to d by dx of
dx
this
am
am e raised to
e raised to mx plus bn
e raised to
e raised to nx.
Yes, this on this side you are going to write it as d square y by what it is, d square y by dx square, which is equals to, yes, similar to the previous, in a simplest manner you tell it. If you'd like to write in your examination, you can write it directly, no issue. This
am square e raised to mx
okay, this is
plus
am
bn square e raised to nx
plus bn e raised to nx into,
n.
okay. So just I am going to demonstrate it here. See that am is constant, you have taken outside. E raised to mx differentiation is e raised to mx into m into 1. So mx differentiation m into 1, that is m1. Similarly here bn constant you have taken e raised to nx, e raised to nx, nx differentiation is n. Yes, therefore that d square y by dx square, you are going to get it as what it is, d square y by dx square, which is equals to, yes, what it is going to happen, that is am into m, am
Am
square
e
into
raised to mx
mx, bn square into e raised to
e raised to
nx. See here, we have found out concern to the dy by dx. Again we found out d square y by dx square. What he has asked, d square y by dx square minus m plus n into dy by dx plus mny is equals to 0, he has asked to show. First I am going to consider this LHS term, and from this LHS I am going to obtain the what RHS. Let us have that LHS. Josie, tell me LHS what he has given clearly.
equal to
LHS equals to what he has given, d square y by
by dx square
huh,
minus bracket m plus n
into
dy by dx
dy by dx
plus
plus
n y equal to 0.
m and y is equals to 0 na. So this I written. Okay, substitute individual term. What is this d square y by dx square? You already found out. The same term you
am
substitute here.
to m
That is am square into e raised to mx. am square e raised to mx
m
plus
plus bn square e
e
raised to nx
raised to nx
square e raised to nx. Just I
Minus-
minus
Minus-
am square e raised to mx
that is m plus n into what is there, that dy by
A-
dx am e
A-
raised to mx
E
plus bn e raised to nx. Yes, tell it to me. am e raised to mx
raised to mx
bn
bn e raised to nx
nx. Okay, next
plus m into n bracket
by
a raised to mx
a raised to mx plus b raised to nx.
e raised to nx
Okay, a raised to mx sorry
a e raised to mx
a e raised to mx plus
plus
e
b e raised to nx.
nx. You just simplify this bracket here, here also be, then you are going to get this. I am going to write as it is, of course, that is
am square e raised to mx
mx plus
plus bn square e raised to nx
bn square e raised to nx. Just
minus
hmm,
am square e raised to mx
am square e raised to mx. Next up
minus bn square e raised to nx
bmn.
n in mn e raised to nx
Okay, next up minus
minus
hmm,
an e raised to mx
amn e raised to mx
mx minus bn square e raised to nx
bn square e raised to nx. Okay, next up
plus
plus
ae
plus mn e raised to
e to
mx.
mx
Okay, plus
plus b m e raised to nx
bmn. Okay, e raised to nx. You see here, this is plus a m square e raised to mx. This minus a m square e raised to mx is going to get cancelled. Similarly, b n square e raised to nx. There is one more, that is b n square e raised to nx. Next, here is minus b mn e raised to nx. Here is plus b mn e raised to nx minus a mn e raised to mx plus a mn e raised to mx. All those terms, they are cancelled each other, so that is 0 now. Okay, which is equals to 0. This is our required RHS. Therefore, you can write whatever he has asked. Okay, from LHS we obtained it as a RHS. Therefore, question whatever he has given, write that. That is, he has given d square y by, what he has given, d square y by dx square minus m plus n into dy by
dy
dx
by d plus
plus
m and y
m and y equals to 0.
equal to 0.
Clear to everybody? Just what you have to do, summarize. I am going to do. Everybody just observe. Within 1 minute, I will finish up this. Thereafter, I will go to the next one. So see this one here. Whatever the question, y is equals to a e raised to mx plus b e raised to nx he has given. Just I differentiated y with respect to x. Then you are going to use here summation rule and constant rule, as well as power. Everything you are going to make use. So constant rule, a is constant, you are going to take as e raised to mx, e raised to anything is e raised to anything, and then anything differentiation is that mx differentiation m into 1, that is m only. Okay, similarly for b e raised to nx, then you are going to get dy by dx as am e raised to mx plus bn e raised to nx. Okay na, just idu dy by dx ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಯು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ dy by dx with respect to x. So then similarly, how you carried out here, in the same fashion you have to carry out that. am constant ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, am constant ಹೊರಗೆ ತಗೋತೀರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ e raised to mx ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲೇ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ತರನೇ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ದು, d square y by dx square, it is going to come out as a m square e raised to mx plus b n square e raised to nx. ಸರಿನಪ್ಪ, dy by dx ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದ್ರಿ, d square y by dx square ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನದ, ಇದನ್ನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನಲ್ಲ LHS ಟರ್ಮ್, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬರೀರಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾಗಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ವೈಲ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ ಬಳಿಕ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಸೇಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಎಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಅದೇ ಥರನೇ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಆಲ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದು ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0. Okay, that is the required RHS. Therefore, we return here once again whatever he has asked that. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು? ಇದೇ ತರನೇ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ he has given. Just he has changed, instead of m, n, b, a, he has given the numbers. Let us, we shall move towards that solution of fifth one. Note about this fifth problem, everybody. If y is equals to 3e raised to 2x plus 2e raised to 3x, show that d square y by dx square minus 5 dy by dx plus 6y is equals to 0. This was appeared in March 2014. Let us have solution of this problem clearly. Similar to the previous problem, you extend the solution of this also. First of all, I am going to write here clearly whatever the y he has given. Yes, Joshi, y equals to what it is? 3e raised to 2x.
2x plus 2e raised to 3x.
3x. Okay,
Sure.
differentiate
Differentiate with respect to x side.
differentiate y with respect to x. Sanket, what is going to happen if you differentiate with respect to x? D by dx
D by
of
dx of y.
y is equals to
d by dx of
3 into e raised to 2x
3 e raised to 2x plus 2 e raised to
2 e raised to
3.
3x
3
Okay, dy by dx is equals to, yes,
6 e raised to 2x
3 is constant, you are going to take outside, and
2
yes, ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರ 2 e raised to 2x ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರ, ಬರಿಬಹುದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ದೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 3 is constant, e raised to 2x, e raised to 2x, 2x differentiation 2 into 1. ಓಕೆ, ಇಷ್ಟೇನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆಯೋದೇನು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ದಾಗ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರು ನಡೀತೈತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ is 2, e raised to 3x, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3x the differentiation 3 into 1. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಸಂಕೇತ, ಅದು dy by dx is equals to
6 e raised to 2x
2x
plus 6 e raised to 3x
6 e raised to 3x. Okay, once again you differentiate this dy by dx with respect to x, what it is going to come out again?
12 e raised to 2x plus 18 e raised to 3x.
ಓಕೆ, ಜೋಶಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾನ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ dy by dx with respect to x. Let us go ahead now, that is d by dx of
dx of
dx.
dy by
Okay, which is equals to d by
d by dx
6 e raised to 2x
to
plus
2x
6 e
6
raised to 3x.
3x.
Okay, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಜೋಶಿ, ಅದು on this side it is
d
d square
square y by
dx
x square
square which is equals to,
equal
ಇದನ್ನ
6
ಸಿಂಪಲ್
bracket
ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರೆಯಕತ್ತರ 6
e raised to 2x to 2
into 2. ಓಕೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರೋಣ, 1 ನಂತರ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತೆ ಅದು ಪ್ಲಸ್
plus
e raised to 3x
to 3x into 3
ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು, d square y by dx square
dx square 6 bracket e raised to 2x
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
into 2
12 ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ದು, 6 into 2 that is 12 e raised to 2x
e raised to 2x plus
plus
18 into e raised to 3x
18 into e raised to 3x. Okay, you go and observe that whatever the LHS has given, LHS d square y by dx square minus 5 dy by dx plus 6y equals to 0 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ. LHS ಎಷ್ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, RHS we shall show that. Okay, if you consider that LHS, you tell me anyone, LHS is equals to ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಜೋಸಿ ಅದು d square y by dx
dx
square
square minus 5 dy by dx
5 times of dy by dx
plus 6 times of y equal to 0.
LHS ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಅದನ್ನ RHS ತೋರ್ಸೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್
12
e raised to 2x
x plus
18
18 e raised to 3x minus 5 bracket
what is that dy by dx? See here, that is 6
2x
e raised to 2x plus 6 e raised to
e 3x
okay, next plus 6 what is
bracket
y is
3e 2x plus 2e raised to 3x
e raised to plus if there is disturbance mute it plus 2e raised to 3x plus 2e raised to 3x. ಸಂಕೇತ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹೇಳೋ ಇದ್ರದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, that it is 12 e raised to 2x plus 18 e raised to 3x. ಇದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ,
minus 30 e raised to 2x minus 30 e raised to 3x
minus 30 e raised to 3x. ಇದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ,
plus 18
plus 18 e raised to 2x ಮುಂದ್ರಿ
plus 12 e raised to 3x
ಓಕೆನಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಇದು ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 12
ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ಸ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಿಡ್ರಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಕೈತಿ 30 e raised to 2x ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 18
30 e raised to 6.
that is going to come out as 30 e raised to 3x. ಆಮೇಲೆ minus 30
Minus
e
30
raised
e
to
raised to
2x.
2x.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
Minus 30 e raised to 6.
ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ.
0.
In this way they are going to cancel each other. This is the required RHS. Okay na? Therefore ಏನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಹೇಳೋ ಜೋಸಿ ಅದಂದಿಷ್ಟು. Therefore d square y by
dx square minus 5 divided by dx plus 6 times of y equal to 0.
ಆಯ್ತು. We shown this it clearly. Everybody understood about this problem clearly or anybody have any doubt? ಬಂಡಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆನಾ? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? ಎಸ್
ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ.